Okay, I think now it's time, जिसके लिए हम सब बहुत देर से इंतजार भी कर रहे थे, टू कॉल समवन ऑन स्टेज जिनको मगधीरा ने एक वॉरियर बॉडी दी, रंगस्थलम ने इनको एक कैरेक्टर सोल दिया, आरआरआर ने इनको एक वर्ल्ड दिया, लेकिन पेदी जो है वो इनको ये सारी चीजें दे रही है. आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल ऑन स्टेज द मेगा पावर स्टार ऑफ Ramcharan sir. Please call, sir, please welcome. Big round of applause for Ramcharan sir, guys. Come on. Thank you so much, sir. सर सबसे पहले मैं जो आपसे वहां बैठ के बात कर रहा था, मैं वही एक चीज पूछना चाहूंगा. आप इतना अच्छा कैसे डांस करते हो?
प्रोड्यूसर अच्छा पेमेंट दिया सर. आई एम जोकिंग. नो.
Well, you float like anything on floor, sir. क्या बोलना चाहोगे about the movie? What would you like to address, sir?
Welcome Delhi press. Thank you so much for coming here. Means a lot to have all your support. Coming to your question, sorry.
Sir, about the movie, what would you like to tell the press?
I mean, it's everything what Bowman sir said, Divyendu said, and Janvi said. And I would just add to that saying, like Janvi said, बहुत शिद्दत से काम किया है. हम लोग very sincerely
Right.
we worked, and I'm so fortunate to have a very sincere producer, a very sincere director, and the legend, Mr. A.R. Rahman and Bowman sir, Divyendu. It is, I mean, this won't happen if it's planned. I think it's a very divine intervention that all this happened. And like knowingly or unknowingly, we worked very, very sincerely for the last 2.5 years. And it's a good film. End of the day, it's a great entertainer. Yes, it has some uplifting moments. It will inspire you. And like my producer said, please go with children. I don't know the impact it will have on them, but it will not disappoint them. You will be happy that you've taken your children to this film.
Right. Sir, as Baban sir also said कि जो talent है वो ऐसी जगह पे छुपा हुआ है कि हम जानते ही नहीं है. And this movie, this movie highlights कि talent बहुत छोटे से एक गांव, district से भी आ सकता है. So, what would you like to say? क्योंकि obviously you traveled a lot इस movie के shoot पर भी, आपने अलग-अलग states, अलग-अलग countries में भी shoot किया है. So, what would you like to tell people कि जो talent है, जो इतना talent इंडिया में छुपा हुआ है, इसको बाहर निकालने की भी कितनी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है?
I mean, the films that we are making in the South have changed. It's not very urban driven. It's completely Mittika stories. All the 3 films I've done, which are really done very well in the box office, all are Hamara Mittika stories.
Right.
Like Bowman sir said, they're not in the cities. They're maybe in the villages, the towns. They're super talented. Our archery team of India, all the archers of India are from a tribal. They're
Okay.
tribals.
Wow.
Inherently they have that talent of bow and arrow, so none of them have come from the cities and the YMCAs. They have come from the tribals. So it is nice that some chairmen of archery have found that talent in the villages and the tribal clan. Like that in West Bengal, there is the most famous Praveen, उनका नाम क्या है? West Bengal में वो stadium भी बनाया था ना, Mohammed. हाँ. So I was in Delhi last time. I was meeting Mr. Modi and I told him, he asked me, what is this film about?
Yeah.
I said, sir, I don't know if it's true, but Vikasit Bharat, it's empowering of our villages. वैसी concept है, sir. He said, Ram, एक बार we were campaigning in West Bengal. There was जब मैं campaign कर रहा था, there was a bunch of people. ऊपर jersey था, नीचे langot और वो सब पहन के था. So they asked, where are you from? They are from a smallest village near West Bengal. And today, almost one person, 80 or 40, 50 years back, there was one person called Mr. Mohammed who came from there and he played for the Indian football team. Today, there are more than 85 people from that village who are playing for the football.
क्या बात है? एक बार जोर ताली यार, come on.
So it's that one person who can make a huge difference. And this Peddi is one of those guys who comes from a very tribal town. That he's making a difference. And like Divyendu said, it's all about identity.
True. Sir, आपने you played a cricketer, then पहलवान बने आप, then a sprinter. सबसे tough कौन सा था इन तीनों में से? उसके लिए prepare करना, उसको play करना.
पूरे थे. Everything was tough.
Yeah.
But when you do it with so much of love and passion, you want to do it again and again. It's not tough. I mean, tough is not the right word, but I enjoy doing all of it.
But I specifically want to talk about the पहलवान वाला, you know, the part. I think वो देखने में लग रहा है कि उसके पीछे बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत लगी है for this
वो
body.
तो टफ ही था.
वो तो tough ही था. अगर if you have to select one, तो I think पहलवान वाला was the one, right?
I mean, like you said, I was not completely vegetarian. Out of the 2 years,
Yeah.
maybe about 8 to 10 months, I was vegetarian because of my the penance I do.
True.
And it was very, very different from the other physiques. But this film required it. This role required it. I mean, it's all we know. I mean, that's all we should treat the character.
And I think तीनों characters जो हमने देखे तीनों जो हैं बहुत ही powerful तरीके से निकल के भी आ रहे हैं. So to all the press sitting, sir, what would you like to address them? क्या बोलना चाहोगे उनको आप?
I mean, thank you so much. I mean, the 4th June, please support the film and make sure you push the film and make sure everybody goes and watches this. It is something, it's an experience, like it's a very large scale theater experience you're going to see. So yeah, I mean, once you like it on June 4th, please promote this film. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Just last thing I wish to say, हालांकि देवेंदु ने बोल दिया कि आपका एक लव ट्रायंगल था, बट अगर ये नहीं होता तो आप जितने हैंडसम हो मेरा भी बन जाता आपके साथ.
देवेंदु भाई ने फिल्म का जॉनर भी बदल दिया था. But no, what a pleasure. Why Divyendu is loved so much, you know, he's got this swag, he's got this, you know, the way he walks, the way he talks. ये असली में भी ऐसी है.
ऐसे ही है.
Yeah, मुन्ना भाई जैसा है, मगर he doesn't abuse like मुन्ना भाई.
In an interview,
But
talked
उसका
about his
charm,
gali being famous in South India as well.
I love Delhi, the way Delhi vibes. I love it, and he is all Delhi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And before you leave, sir, I would like to call all the star cast for a photo op. If you all can join us on stage, please.